Oh, hi guys. Good morning. I didn't see you there. It's your girl Shay'Elaine and welcome back to my channel.
Way too blast.
Good morning, beautiful people. What's up? It's your girl Shay'Elaine and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified every single time your girl posts a video. Today we're gonna do a get ready with me video. I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride with me as I get ready and how you see me go from this glamorous form to an even more glamorous form, and it's gonna be super fun. I have some errands to run today, service to go to, hang out with my friends this afternoon. So you guys come along and just watch this video, see how the magic happens behind the scenes. Let's go. Guys, so I'm going into my bathroom. This is what I slept in. This is really cute. I don't know. I wish I can tell you guys where I got it from, but I don't remember. It was probably Target. Probably got this little ensemble from Target, and I think it's super cute and feminine and something really great and comfortable to sleep in. So, moving on. Actually, I don't need to. All right, you guys. So y'all already know what's about to happen. It's morning, so I'm gonna get these gums brushed and do my skincare routine. I'm gonna do it super sped up, but if you haven't seen my skincare routine, it's like one of the very first videos that I did. I'll do an updated one, and anything new I'll show you guys in this video. But yeah, it's about to go down. So. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna let this sit on my face until it gets all white and crusty, and that's really what's gonna help bring out all of the natural oils in my skin. So while this is sitting, I'm gonna hop in the shower and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I'm out of the shower and I washed that gunk off my face, which this is like, okay, so let me show you guys before I even, because they said that this was give you like a natural glow. Granted, I just put water on my face. You can't really tell, but I kind of can tell. It does work. Let me get all this off, and then I'll show you guys what the end face situation. So this is my face. This is what it's looking like. I'm getting like mad breakouts like right here. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with that, but it's all good in the hood. No problems. All right, you guys. Okay. So now that that's done and I'm fresh faced in the morning, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna take all my vitamins and my minerals. Let me mute this TV because we watching Martin real early in the morning, y'all. This show will forever be a classic. And if you don't know, now you know. So I'm gonna take my vitamins, take a probiotic every morning, green tea every morning. It's supposed to be an antioxidant or whatever. Women's vitamins, and I'm almost out of this one, so I should probably get some more. And then I take, well, I'm not gonna take my vitamin D right now. I do a vitamin D deficiency, so I have to take it like twice a day just to make sure my bones don't break up. So I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna take a scoop of these chia seeds. And y'all, don't talk about me because I'm like real health crazy right now. So I'm also gonna take my fiber, but I'm gonna put this in my iced coffee, or like my coffee, because I'm not gonna, it's gonna be cold coffee, but I don't have any ice, so I'm gonna use this. So super disappointed because I don't have any cold water, so the iced coffee is gonna have to wait till later. I'll probably go to Dunkin' Donuts before I go out and just get my iced coffee. But for now, I'm gonna have a frittata. I love these. These are the Jimmy Dean frittatas. And I like them because there's like 0 carbs in them. I don't think it's 0. I think it's like 2 net carbs or something like that. But it has like spinach and bacon. And they're super easy. You pop in the microwave for like 2 minutes and you got breakfast. And I'll usually have this with like a couple slices of avocado and my iced coffee or my coffee. But like I said, I don't feel like making hot coffee right now. So I'll probably just have like some regular water or something. I don't know. All right, you guys, so I am about to eat my breakfast. This is what it looks like. I already ate one because I was really hungry. And I'm gonna sit here and chill, eat this, watch a little RuPaul's Drag Race, and then I'll be back to do my hair and my makeup and my outfit for the day. Okay, squirrel friends, I told you I was watching RuPaul's Drag Race. So I'm feeling like really inspired by drag. So I'm gonna do my makeup. I don't know, who knows what it's gonna end up looking like, but I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna try to do something to this hair, child, because it's been in this bonnet forever, so I know it's ratty and natty, but let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna fast forward through it because it's not really like a makeup tutorial. So if y'all want it, well, y'all get another makeup tutorial later, but it's not really a makeup tutorial, so I'm just gonna fast forward through it and y'all can kind of just see what I do and how I do my makeup. This is my skin, whatever, it's a little, it's fine. It's not greasy at all, but let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far. It's not what I thought it was gonna look like. I'm not obsessed with it right now. Obviously it's not done, but I don't even know what I'm gonna wear with this. It's so okay, let me just finish it and see what it looks like and we'll talk about it later. All right you guys, so this is the final look. I think it actually came out really good. I'm actually surprised because I was a little nervous at first with the amount of glitter that was happening. I really wanted it to be pink, but it came out purple instead, which is weird because I actually did use the pink with the light pink glitter and it still came out purple, but I think it's because I used like a tanner brown or like a darker brown. What the heck is this? Okay, yeah, I think I used a darker brown, but it's fine. I like it. I'm gonna have to go find me an outfit and do my hair. And all right guys, so I'm gonna do my hair first. It's like super disgusting. So I just put some of this Paul Mitchell straightening serum in it. It's, you know, cheap hair that I like literally picked up from the beauty supply store because we're in quarantine and I cannot go to my hairdresser. So I'm gonna try to make work oh god. I'm gonna try to make it work and I'll be back, okay? All right you guys, so a few nips and tucks and straightening irons later, this is what we got. And it's not the best, but I don't look a mess. Oh, that rhymed. Yeah, girl, I should have been a poet. This should have happened. But now, oh, I don't know. Now we are going to come into my bedroom and go into this monstrosity of a closet to try to find something to wear. So I am in my room. My closet needs a total makeover. It is stressful to go into my closet. I have clothes over here. Like, I have clothes everywhere. And then I have so many shoes, like, just on the floor in my closet because I live in a really small apartment and I've kind of taken over my son's closet as well. So that's like where all of my skirts and blazers and stuff are. But I don't think I'm gonna wear a skirt or a blazer today because it is kind of hot, but in the building it's like super warm. So I'm trying to find something flowy and still church appropriate. I don't know, I kind of like this, but I don't know. But let's go and I don't know, like, let's just see what I can, like, find. Should I wear like a skirt and shirt? Oh God, I don't know. I don't want anything, I'm going to church, so I don't want anything super revealing, because we're trying to be in church in the spirit and not in the flesh. Come on here. So, no, I don't think I want to do a jumpsuit. Whew. You guys, I'm gonna pick out a few things, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what I picked out, and then I'll get dressed and show you what I've decided on, and we're gonna do it like that, okay? Be right back. Okay, you guys, so I tried on a lot of outfits. It didn't work, so I settled on, oh, it's my necklace. I settled on this just black and gold look, just to keep it really simple. I'm gonna accessorize this a little bit because I just feel like it's way too simple. I'm gonna show you guys the, so you guys can see. This is what the bottom of the pants looks like. I think it's super cute. I'll link these pants. Yeah, there we go. So I will link the pants down below for you guys. I will link the pants down below for you guys so you guys can see. I'm just gonna accessorize it a little bit with this belt. This top I think I had gotten from Fashion to Figure. I don't know if they still have it, but if they do, it'll be on their website. It was like years ago when I got it. And this belt I think I also got from Fashion to Figure, because that's kind of where I get my belts from, because it's very fit and it's really stretchy. So I'm gonna throw this little cheetah print leopard belt on. It is a little big on me because I've had it since before I lost a lot of weight, but I'm gonna do that. And then I have this fedora. Well, even before I do the fedora, I'm gonna put this gold like cuff link thing on. This is gonna make it a little edgier. I have my gold necklace on. That's what I'm gonna keep on. I don't think I'm gonna do any other jewelry. I might throw my watch on. I do have these printed earrings. Let me see. Is this too much? I don't know. I'll have to find out. I'm gonna throw these on real quick and see what that's looking like. Oh no, this is giving me Miami sister, you know, from Brooklyn. Like, I love it, but I don't know, that's too much. It's too much for me. It might not be too much for somebody else, but I personally just like my little stud earrings, and that's what I'm gonna keep going with, is this stud earring. Boom. All right, so no earring because I wasn't rocking with it. So I am gonna wear the hat because it gives me like mob boss vibes or something. I don't know, it's really cute. I like it. I'm not sure what shoes I'm probably gonna wear. I'm probably gonna throw on some sandals because I do have, yeah, I do have just some basic gold sandals. This was from my Torrid haul. That was like a video I did a while ago, so just probably gonna slide those on my feet. Boom, outfit's done. So yeah, it's not a lot, but I'm keeping it simple and cute. It's very airy because this is meshy. I told you it's about to be hot up in there. I don't got time. So cute, cordial, and I think there's nothing wrong with like an all black look. Like a classic black is just where life needs to be sometimes. You just need to go for a classic black, all black outfit. You look clean, you look chic, you look bomb. Put you some shapewear on and call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. Okay. All right, you guys, so that is it for this get ready with me video. I really wanted to do a whole day shoot with you guys. I'm still gonna try to shoot today to see if you guys can come along with me throughout the day. It's way past the time I was supposed to leave the house. It's like almost 2 o'clock and I was supposed to leave the house like an hour and a half ago, but no big deal. I'm gonna get there. They don't start till 3, so yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, like the content, want to see more get ready with me or outfit choices or whatever the case may be, go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, stimulate that little like button. and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to see, what I could have done differently. Always leave positive vibes. I really just love hearing from you guys, so I know what it is that you guys want to see. I know I was out last week, but I'm feeling a whole lot better, so I can't wait to bring you guys some more videos just like this one. And love you guys. You know what? Live your glamorous life. Be glammed. Love you, love you, love you. Bye.